Most B2B marketers won't say this out loud, but it's true. Your ads are reaching accounts, just not when it matters. Spending more on impressions won't move your pipeline. Clicking boost won't move deals. Because the buyer's journey isn't linear, it's invisible until the right signals appear. That's why top-performing marketing teams are walking away from the status quo and turning to the SalesboxAI GTM advertising platform. SalesboxAI aligns your ads to live buyer intent using 4 intelligence engines. AI account readiness. Only target accounts showing in-market buying signals. Conversation and intent signals. Ads activate based on engagement that actually matters. Dynamic segment intelligence. Your ICP evolves automatically, so your ads follow the right accounts. Revenue intelligence. See which campaigns move deals, not just impressions or clicks. The result? Ads that don't just create awareness, they drive decisions, pipeline, and revenue. If you're ready to stop the spray and pray approach, if you want ads that finally align with buying readiness, this is the way forward. Discover the SalesboxAI GTM advertising platform. Because your budget shouldn't chase impressions, it should create pipeline. Click the link in the caption to learn more about advertising that truly generates and captures demand.